guys, we're back, and there's a crazy, look at, do you, like, you see, like, that's kind of white, but it's actually very, 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 and I mean very, like, dusty out. So I'm going to show you guys how dusty it is.
Give me your keys when you have a second.
So, see, excuse me. So, I'm going to go out here. Oh, crap. Sorry, Mom. So, I just walked out.
Don't go out there.
And look at that. Do you see that? Yeah, it's so dusty that, like, no. So, it's really dusty. So, I just want to make a video. And I'll make a next video soon. So, do you, like, hear that? Like, turn up your volume. You'll probably hear that. Like, it's going crazy. Ah! Do you see that? Do you see that? So, guys, that's, like, crazy.
But if you're in a car, it's not that bad.
And I think we are going.
Forget driving through one in Palm Springs.
Oh, that scared me. I thought that was a scorpion. Let's use this thing. It doesn't look as orange, but if Luke does a video, he says it's actually, you know,
What happened? You guys aren't going nowhere?
No, we are.
What's wrong, babe?
I think we shut our windows.
Huh?
We shut our windows on our car.
Oh, did you shut my truck window?
No.
Okay.
Better. So we're about to go
Did
in
it
the
nasty out there,
Walgreens.
babe?
Yes, look! Are you, like, seeing that craziness right now?
Where are your keys?
Dad, look.
Where are your keys, Dad?
So,
right there.
I just want to make the
Right there.
video, because, you know.
Well, that's a Honda keys, huh? Let's find a
So,
wallet, baby.
Where's your wallet?
Right over there to the right. Right
I
there.
want to make
To
this
the right.
video,
No,
you
to
know,
the right.
tell
To the
you
right by the
how
drugstore.
crazy.
No.
So I'm like, I try to get my phone and make this video. So, I'm going to go out to Walgreens and then get, you know, and get a movie. It's Kung Fu Panda 3. But do you, like, see those trees rumbling? God, it is crazy out there. I really kind of wish I could just, you know, it's like, you know, so, I'll see you guys. No, it's just kidding. But I did go to the new school, got some new shoes. Got to get again with those white Vans. Because they are Vans. They're white. So, my dog right now is just, like, checking stuff out, like, hey, Tinklish! Tinklish. Oh, I love you. Ugh, you slobber. So, yeah, that's outside really much. So, it's kind of orange, but it's actually really orange because it's, like, dusty. So, it looks like it's just normal, right? Right? Like, well, it's just normal. So, oh, crap. So, yeah. Probably didn't see that much. But, we're closing all the windows, so no dust gets in. Spider flying. Bite you in the throat. Just die. That's not really funny. I don't know why I'm laughing. But, I'll see you guys in this video. Bye!